Hello and welcome to this user guide video on Norakle. So today we're going to be talking on the suppliers module, and we're going to be looking at some of the features of the suppliers module. So the first one we'll be starting with is how we can add supplier. So in this video we'll be looking at how we can add supplier, import supplier, then manage supplier. So to add supplier, you just click on the add supplier option. Then we're to fill in this form. We have our supplier's name, code number, phone number, website, category, email, address, then the starting balance. So I'll be filling that in a bit. So the name, the code number, the phone number, then you fill in their website here. Then you come over here to select the category in which these suppliers belong. So select GPS device suppliers, then the email of your supplier. Then you come here to enter the address. Then your starting balance with the supplier. It is. So now that we filled in all the information of our supplier, then we just hit submit button. Yes, so we've successfully added our supplier. So for us to import supplier, of course, this is our suppliers list, the list of all our suppliers. This is the one we just added. So to import suppliers, just click the import suppliers menu. So we will download the template, that is the Excel file. So it contains the template that we can use to upload to import our suppliers into Norakle. So once you download the template, just edit your suppliers information into the template. So you select the suppliers category. So this is the opening balance date, and you set it. Then you upload the suppliers that you already have in your Excel file. So now that I've clicked that, I've uploaded it, where you can see supplier batch upload is a CSV file. So once you are done, you click upload suppliers. So we've successfully uploaded our suppliers information. We've imported them from our CSV file. So the next thing we will learn how to do here is to manage supplier. So we'll come over here, and we can see to manage. So let's check our supplier category. So when you click supplier categories, you can add a new category of suppliers that you want to add pertaining to your business. So you just click on the add here, and then you select the category name. Then the short code. Then once you are done, you click submit. So that's how you can create supplier category. So this is the list of all the supplier categories that we have. And that is how we can add suppliers, import suppliers, and manage our suppliers using Norakle. Thank you.